Un-
It's really nice and small, isn't it? Got 3 cameras. It feels really small. It feels like the S9, S10, like the smaller version of S10. It doesn't even feel like the S10 Plus. So small. It has covers on it so that it doesn't get ruined. 2 cameras here.
Switch it on.
Wallet boots. Look at this, AKG headphones.
I had the same with these.
Power brick.
Yeah, the same.
Fast charger. It says adaptive fast charging.
Yeah.
Adaptive fast charging. There's a micro USB adapter. Samsung. There's AKG headphones. AKG headphones. And it comes with the free bonus Galaxy Buds. Samsung Buds. Samsung Buds. Let's see, it's booted up, I think. Oh, look at that. This is how it looks. First look. Samsung Galaxy. There's a little bit of a bezel here, chin. There's a little bit at the top. And that's it. Pause kar do.
Insert a SIM. I need a SIM.